missing children were last seen at 5 o'clock p.m. on October 13th, 2024 at the 100 block of Palma Circle, Austin, Texas. Police are looking for Charles Machado Hernandez, 31 years old, Hispanic, male, in connection with the abduction of the children. The suspect is believed to be driving a silver 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander bearing Texas license plate T West L2922. The suspect was last seen in Austin, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe the child to be in grave or immediate danger. Anyone with information regarding this child abduction should contact the Austin Police Department at 512-974-5410. News media point of contact is Austin Police Department at 512-974-5017. Weather conditions across the region at 5